Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this smart box, the Z28. This smart box has 7.1 Android, 4K Ultra HD and other stuff as well. As you can see, 2 GB with 16. This smart box was pretty much required or asked to be unboxed from a bunch of you guys. So today we're going to unbox it. As you can see, immediately when you open the smart box is right there. We all wrapped up. As you can see, it has a pretty good black matte color. In the back we have the Ethernet HD cable, Ethernet and power on cable. In the side we have 2 USBs and 1 SD card slot. So as you can see, it's very simple, very light and easy to use. In the back we have some information. As you can see, we have the model, we have the MAC number and we have the name as well. Also we have 4 rubbers so it doesn't slip. As you can see, we have quite a few good things in this smart box. Let's go ahead and see what we got in the box now. And as you can see right here, I forgot to mention, you have a USB/OTG slot that we can use in the future or will be quite useful. Let's go ahead and see what we got now in the box. Let's put the Z28 aside. Underneath the box we have the power brick to power on the smart box. As you can see, it's very easy. We have the input and output information there. We have the HDMI cable. Usually it has rubber pieces in the top, but in this case doesn't have. Also we have the controller. You can see it's very simple, doesn't have too much buttons, so it's easier for us to use it. So as I said, this smart box is pretty good. Many people asked for it. I saw the reviews of this smart box, so I thought I'd give it a try. Let's go ahead and see how it looks in the TV. As you can see, I already hooked it up. I powered on and now we are waiting for the smart box to power on. We can see the logo Z28. So we have some slideshows and immediately it powers on. We have all the details here. As you can see, we have Play Store, YouTube, browser and other stuffs. Here we have the product manual and it's very useful in this way to see the user manual. So we have the cable instructions as well as the controller. Everything is explained in details and it's very easy to use this smart box in this way. As you can see, we have games, Netflix, Skype, Twitter, Facebook, but we can download other stuffs as well. As you can see here, we have browser. It opens really fast. As you can see, we have to sign in or you can use it like this. We have here media, menu, settings and all these stuff, music as well. So as you can see, everything is in the first page, very easy to use. We have here now the apps that are already downloaded or installed from the factory. We have some of them very useful, but we probably will download more stuff in the future. We have games, music, videos that we can download and use in the smart box. 16 GB of storage is quite enough to download more stuff. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. As we saw before, we have the menu with all these stuff, YouTube, Netflix. So we are selecting some of our favorite apps and we put to the videos. We know these works with videos, so we separate them. Here we have the settings. So basically, as you can see, it's usual Android settings. We have all the settings that are needed. So we have here storage and a reset. We have here internal shared storage. As you can see, everything is explained what you did with your storage. We have here about, we have system updates, device name, model, version, everything about this smart box we can read and see here in the settings. So it's very clear and easy to see your information about this smart box. As I said, we have version, we have model, we have the build number, Siri, all these things that you need to see we have right here. And as you can see, we have the Knockout Android. Now we are back. We saw some of them. As you can see, we have network, sound, display, and other stuff. I don't think I have to explain all of these because probably you saw some of them before in other Android device. These are pretty much the same. Here in the settings we have lock screen, wireless and other stuff, Wi-Fi, data usage, display, notification, sound, app, storage, battery, memory. As you can see right here, now that we opened, we have all the details about memory, user, security, accounts, Google, backup and reset, date and time, accessibilities, and about this smart box. As you can see, again, we have all the details about the smart box here as well. So we are back in the menu. You can see all the apps again, and here we have File Explorer. We insert an SD card. As you can see, immediately it found it. We have here the backup, we have the ADA64 setup, and we have the Antutu setup as well. Let's go ahead and install the ADA64. So if you don't know, we use this app in every smart box that we own. This app is very useful. You can see the details of this smart box. We saw some of them in the settings, but this app makes it a lot easier because you can read about the CPU, GPU, we have the memory and all the stuff that we will see in a bit. But you probably know now that this app is very useful. Now that is installed, as you can see, we have the system, CPU, display, network, battery, Android device, terminal, sensors, and all of that. You can see right here we have the available storage, internal free storage, external total storage, and external free storage. You can see that we have the CPU details now. As you can see right here, we have the megahertz, we have the bits, and all of these information. So this app helps you with that. We have the display, as you can see right here, all with millimeters, with inches, with everything. Hertz that you need to know about your display will be right here. Also we have network. You have your Wi-Fi and the network connection that you're connected. We have the battery as well. We have Android devices. As you can see here, we have the Android version and other details that you need to know about your smart box. As I said already, we have here devices, we have thermal sensors, apps, and other stuffs as well. So as you can see, the smart box works pretty good. I don't think we have anything else to test here in the smart box, so we are going to see just a little bit more from the A.64 app, and we will be done with the smart box. We know now that it works pretty good. It's worth to buy, so we bought it, we tested, and you can see right here. So guys, this was all. Thank you very much for your time and support, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.